Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from Mike in Virginia on this new RCI-2995DXCF. Mike, the big shipment came in. This is the brand new model, just come out. Not much of any changes. They had a run of them that had the RT1 transistors in the amp section. They're back to the 520s now. It lined out good. Did the upgraded voltage regulator for you as you requested. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. Turn down to 5 watts. Up to 40. Average power swing. Hello. 70 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello. Just a hair over 150. Alright, Mike, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.